Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change your Snapchat password if you forget. So let's get into it. What you need to do first is go to your Snapchat profile, like here. You have to log in into Snapchat. Open up your Snapchat. After you have to click on the settings option in the right top corner. Then after that, you have to find the password option right here. You can see here is the password option, and you have to remember your email address or your mobile number that you have created your Snapchat account. Okay, so after that you have to go to on password. Then what you need to do is click on forget your password. After that, what you need to do is click on via phone or via email if you want to reset your password via email address that you remember, or if you want to reset your password via phone number that you have remembered, you can go through it. So I'm going through via email. Please make sure you watch the full video to solve your problem, and like this video, subscribe this channel. So after that, you have to click on email. Then you have to type your email address that you have created your Snapchat account. I'm going to type it. Then after that, you have to click on the submit option right here in the yellow. So please make sure you like this video, and please comment if you have any problem. So after that, you can see here is an option that check your inbox. We send you a verification email. Open it and tap the change password link to continue. Okay, then you have to check your. Then you have to open up the email that Snapchat recently sent you. Okay, then you have to click on this email in this link right here to reset your password. Okay, and after that you have to go to on Chrome. It will automatically go through. Then after that you have to type a new password. You can type now, you can type a new password, and you can change your password here just like that. You have to type twice your password, new password here. Just remember that you don't forget it. Okay, so this is how you can easily reset your Snapchat password if you forget. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel. Peace.